This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace Honda Odyssey wiper blades. First, gather your new blades. The driver's side is typically 26 inches, and the passenger's side is 22 inches. Always ensure your vehicle is safely parked on a level surface with the ignition completely off. For added protection, place a thick towel or piece of cardboard on your windshield beneath each wiper arm. This prevents damage if an arm accidentally springs back. Now, let's remove the old blades. Gently lift one wiper arm away from the windshield until it stands upright and locks into position. Next, locate the small release tab or clip where the wiper blade connects to the arm. Press this tab firmly, then slide the old blade downwards or away from the hook on the wiper arm. It should detach with a little pressure. Repeat this process for the other front wiper blade. With the old blade removed, it's time to install the new one. Take your new wiper blade and align its connector with the hook on the wiper arm. Slide the blade firmly upwards onto the arm until you hear a distinct click, indicating it's securely locked into place. Give it a gentle tug to confirm it's fully seated and won't accidentally slide off. Repeat these steps for the passenger side wiper blade. Once both new blades are installed, gently lower each wiper arm back onto your windshield. Turn on your vehicle and activate the windshield wipers with some washer fluid. Observe their performance to ensure they clear the glass effectively and without streaking. For optimal visibility and safety, it's recommended to replace your Honda Odyssey's wiper blades at least once every 12 months, or more frequently in harsh conditions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.